Printers today have to be aggressive. Aggressive in their pursuit of sales, aggressive in their pricing, in their use of technology, and in driving productivity. Mitsubishi is once again at the forefront, providing printers with new technology to improve productivity, to lower costs, and to deliver greater margins for greater success. Mitsubishi, in partnership with Mabeg, developed its new roll sheeter for commercial printers, web printers, book printers, packaging and label printers, and more, to afford greater flexibility in substrates, while achieving the significant cost benefits of roll stock over cut sheets. The potential for higher output, too, on sheet-fed presses like the Diamond 3000 Tandem Perfector, equipped with the Mitsubishi roll sheeter, is yet another way printers can aggressively go to market with competitively priced products. Let's take a look at the vital statistics. The Mitsubishi roll sheeter is standard equipped to cut loads as thin as 16 thousandths of an inch up to 18-point thickness. Not only commonly used substrates from thin paper to light board, but also metallized paper and foils that are available on reels. The Mitsubishi roll sheeter currently accommodates sheet widths of 20½ inches up to 41 inches. Cutoff lengths can be varied from 17.7 inches to 29 inches. Maximum speed is 15,000 sheets per hour. Maximum reel diameter at 59 inches. This is ideally suited to Mitsubishi's Diamond Tandem Perfector press. The Mitsubishi roll sheeter also offers flexibility in its footprint for tight or unusual floor space requirements. However, the path position can be on the drive side or can be turned 180 degrees and located in line with the press. Let's take a look at its operation. After the spent core is removed, a fresh paper roll with an expanding reel chuck is inserted into the core, firmly fixed to the core with compressed air, and then loaded into the reel stand. The expanding chuck is secured by closing the two hinged bearings. Next, the cutting and shingling station is moved on recessed rails to its working position and connected to the feedboard. Residual stacks of paper left over from previous print jobs need not be removed from the feeder, an important productivity advantage. The reel stand with the fresh roll is then moved to its working position and secured. At this stage, the webbing up process begins. First, the web is drawn into the dancer roller area. Normally, the new reel is connected to the old reel in this area. The sheet decurler flattens out the cut sheets and makes them easier to process. Now we come to the heart of the Mitsubishi roll sheeter, the cutting and shingling station. The desired cutoff length is steplessly adjusted between 17.7 inches and 29 inches by simply inputting the dimension in the display. The position of the underlapping wheels is set precisely to the fraction of an inch. The crank handle permits the angle of the lower knife to be precisely set to the desired cutting edge position. You are now ready to start the sheeting operation. The scissor cutting system provides an absolutely clean cut as the paper web runs from the reel stand to the cutting mechanism. Web tension is continuously monitored by a light barrier control, which transmits correction commands directly to the reel stand brake. The dancer rollers correct any inaccuracies in concentricity of the reel. Once the cutting process is finished, the sheets are guided at the leading edge into the shingling station. The leading edge of the newly created sheets travels into the underlapping rollers. As soon as the sheet's trailing edge is past the cutting area, it is raised by sheet flaps and pulled by vacuum against a suction box. The underlapped sheet stream moves over a transport table and onto the press feedboard. Your Mitsubishi press is fed continuously and flawlessly fed with a steady stream of perfectly trimmed sheets to be printed with the quality only Mitsubishi can deliver. Changeover from reel printing to sheet printing is also very fast. After the web is severed, the reel stand moves along recessed rails in the floor to its park position, clearing the way for the Mitsubishi roll sheeter to be moved via motor drive into its parking spot. The feeder can then be loaded with sheets manually or from a pallet. There you have it. The Mitsubishi roll sheeter, developed in concert with Mabeg, gives printers a number of tremendous advantages. It permits the use of less expensive roll stock, affording greater margin potential. It enables printers to print on thinner substrates, not feasible with traditional sheet stock, which can open new markets and business opportunities. It is cost-effective, allowing your press to potentially operate at higher production speeds. yet permitting fast changeovers between roll stock or sheet mode for the ultimate flexibility. And finally, the Mitsubishi Roll Sheeter has a projected ROI of between 2 and 3 years, depending on production variables, work shifts, and other conditions. Now, printers can have the powerful combination of single-pass, two-sided printing with the Mitsubishi Diamond Tandem Perfector Press and the efficient, cost-effective use of roll stock with the Mitsubishi Roll Sheeter. Now, too, printers can aggressively attack new business, new jobs, and new markets for improved margins and even greater profits. Mitsubishi, new technology, opening new worlds.